Hey everyone, I'm WIGOWARRIOR, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what comes in the Trendmood box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I'm not sure what volume this is, but I picked this up, like a week ago, mid-January. I was super lucky because these sell out really fast. Well, it depends on the iteration or volume. Sometimes they sell out quicker than normal. I signed up for emails, and honestly, I typically just miss out because I don't check my emails, so I was super excited. The boxes are around $40, $44. I think they may change depending on what comes in the box. This box here was $44, and it's quite heavy. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what I got. You do see what comes in the box in the email, but if you've been around for a while, thank you. If you're new, welcome. My memory is crap. So I do remember there was some skincare, I think an eyeshadow palette. I don't know. I was super excited about the brands and the products. And hey, for $44, I was going to snatch that puppy up. Trendmood is, I think it's an Instagram account. I don't know. They are in the know with certain brands and give really good spoilers of what's upcoming and the new products. Am I that hip on social media? No. Did I sign up for an email? Yes. All right, if I can get this box open. There we go. All right. Ooh, it comes beautifully packaged. Oh, there's a QR code. I don't have my phone. Let's open her up, and if I need to, I'll go run grab my phone because hopefully that will provide prices. All right, I got my phone. The QR code does work, but there still aren't prices. So, oh well. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It comes beautifully wrapped. Let me grab the first product, which is very heavy. Ooh, yes, I love this brand. This is from KOPARI. It is the Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. Ooh, I wonder if this is, I have one from this brand. It's a body cream, but I don't know if it's the same. There's some tape on the side. It comes safety sealed. Let's peel that up. Ooh, a little messy there. Oh yes, I think I already have this. Goodness gracious, can I just sit here and film? Let me go run and grab the one that I already have and let's see if it's the same. Okay, yes, so it is the same one, and I'm not mad that I got a duplicate or something, not a duplicate, something I already own. I don't know if it's gonna pick up. I'm down about, not quite halfway, but almost. This smells so good, like coconut with a soft hint of maybe coffee. It is so nice and absorbs into the skin. I really love and enjoy this. So yay, I have a backup. All right, this next product is also quite heavy. It's something from SOULCARE. It is the Nourishing Cleansing Balm. I have several products from SOULCARE. I got, I want to say a blush in like Ipsy, and then there was a complete takeover box from AIA Beauty. Her packaging is beautiful. This is glass, and it looks black on camera, but it's actually purple, a very deep purple. All right, it comes with a very thick safety seal. It's just a plastic protector. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to touch it, but it is the type of cleansing that you put onto dry skin, rub it in, and then wash it off. All right, what else did I get? Something small. This here is WINGIT Mascara, 24-hour volumizing dual tip mascara. From which brand? BIRDY Lashes. Oh, have never heard of this brand. I'm not even gonna take it out and look at the wand. I don't want it to dry out. I only wear waterproof mascara, and this is not waterproof, so I'm just gonna set that aside and put that into a future giveaway. All right, what else came in this box? Ooh, we got something from KINSHIP. I'm going through a lip balm from KINSHIP. This here is the Self-Reflect Rose Probiotic Moisturizing Zinc Oxide Sunscreen. Oh, okay, it's SPF 32. It's an interesting number. Normally it's SPF 30. For some reason, I have some BB creams that are SPF 42 and then like SPF 50 or higher. Let's take a look. All right, so it is, how many? I'm gonna guess 30 ml. No, 1.75, so 50 grams. All right, that will be lovely. Let's see if it's, yeah, it's safety sealed. I'm already going through a sunscreen, but I love getting sunscreen in boxes because that way I can try different brands and I don't need to shell out my own money. All right, what else? Ooh, something else from KOPARI. What are you? So this is a niacinamide and caffeine eye bright cream. Ooh, I love eye creams because, hey, I need them and use them all the time. I have 56-year-old skin. Is this, okay, it's not safety sealed. It's a little squeezy tube. All right, let's squirt some out and see if it's creamy or like more like a water gel cream. All right, it's like a minty green. I don't think it has a scent, although I'm picking up that wonderful coconut from that body lotion. Let's see. All right, so it's not a gel water cream. It's like a standard cream, which I don't want to call it thick, but it's thicker than I typically enjoy. I have a tendency to get milia, so not my favorite formula for me personally, but I own it, I have it, and I will give it a try. All right, that's 5 items, and there's still more in the box. All right, so we have a set of false eyelashes. This here is from, again, BIRDY Lashes. It is the Gemini set. I'm curious why they gave you a mascara. Is this even a mascara? Hold on. Yeah, it's a mascara. Yet they give you... Interesting. All right, so apparently if you like wearing falsies, the brand carries falsies, or if you like natural, they carry mascara. All right, next item. Ooh, okay, so we have something from e.l.f. This here is the Power Grip Primer in clear. Wait, is this a new release? I thought e.l.f. has had a gripping primer out for a while now, which people claim is a dupe for the Milk gripping primer. Okay, I'm just going to leave this in the box because, you know, it's a primer. Can't really test that out on the back of my hand. Well, I could, but I'm not going to. All right, next item. Oh, okay, we have something else from SOULCARE. This here is the Soft Stay Brow Gel. Ooh, and it's in clear. Yay! Because I really don't do my brows too often, but when I do, I use a clear brow gel. I'm wearing one today from Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm excited because I am trying to get into doing my brows more. Let's take a look at the packaging. And ooh, very sleek and pretty. Again, it's a deep purple. I don't know, on camera it's looking more black, but when I see it from this side with the light shining through, it is a beautiful purple, and it has a very tiny kind of spoolie brush, which is perfect and what you need when doing your brows. Okay, that makes me happy because since I'm new to doing my brows, I don't like spending my own money, and so it's nice getting a product and then I can try it, and if I do enjoy it, I can buy it again. All right, last item. Ooh, beautiful packaging. All right, so we have an eyeshadow palette. This here is from NABLA, and this is the Read My Mind palette. If this color story is like this, NABLA did read my mind because I love neutral color stories. I know, I'm boring, but hey, if it's neutral, I know I'm gonna love it. Oh, interesting. It's more color, obviously, with the box off. It is, these are little kind of cracks, not cracks, but like rows of indentations. Like it has texture or bumps where you can feel almost like tile, like a tile floor, little grooves. All right, let's see what the color story is. Ooh, yes. Neutral with a little bit of color and warm shades. This is gorgeous. Interesting. The pan sizes are quite small. Let's see, how many do we get? So there are 16 shades, and oh, this is so good, particularly if you're new to eyeshadow. So each row like produces an eye look. Well, you can go in and do whatever you want, but top row, like you see how this is like the sage look, and here's kind of a more mustard yellow, and you have a pink, and then a true kind of brown nude look. Yes. So let me read the actual names. So the one I called yellow is called Honey. The green one's Sage. The pink one is Rose. And the top one, which kind of has like burgundy shades, this is called Scarlet. I'm not going to swatch all 16 shades, but let me just go in with, you know, the shimmers because that's what everyone is curious about, or at least me. All right, I just went in with 5 of the shimmer shades up top. See if my lights won't blind you there. And then I dipped into 5 of the mattes. Ooh, I'm gonna have fun playing with that palette. Okay, that is the entire box. We got 9 products. All right, let's recap everything that came in the January 2023 Trendmood box. We got the Gemini false eyelashes from BIRDY Lashes. We got the WINGIT mascara, also from BIRDY Lashes. We got the Soft Stay Brow Gel from SOULCARE. We got a Moisturizing Cleansing Balm, also from SOULCARE. We got the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. A Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen from KINSHIP. A Niacinamide and Caffeine Bright Eye Cream from KOPARI. The Ultra Restore Body Butter from KOPARI. And the Read My Mind palette from NABLA. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow, that is a lot of products. I think there were 9 for $44. This is such a good body butter from KOPARI and smells fantastic. I love getting sunscreen in boxes. I can always use an eye cream. I wear makeup, therefore a cleansing balm comes right in handy. I'm excited to get another brow product, particularly a clear gel. And look at this palette. It is beautiful. I love the variety of tones, and it's perfect for me who enjoys a neutral color story. I'm curious to hear what you think of this box. Did you think it was worth $44? I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I'll be curious in editing when I look each of these products up to see what kind of value we get. After I unbox the first 2 items, I'm fairly certain that hit the $44 value, so I'm sure we are way over that. But I'm curious to hear what you think about this box. Let me know which product was your favorite and if you own any of these, or if you'd be interested in seeing me try it out. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, if you can click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.